Mr. Bandit 81, aka the Sci-Fi Bandit, doing a review on Mortal Kombat Sub-Zero. Going from the package here, it's pretty cool looking. Got the dragon symbol in the background. From what it mentions here, over 15 points of articulation, and he comes with a sword. Well, I'd guess probably a ice sword. On the back here, got a cool video game version of him. Matches right up with the figure. Sub-Zero, and assassin of the Lin Kuei, or however you pronounce the word there, clan. The clan commands the power of ice and cold. Unlike other members of the clan, he and his older brother, Han, were abducted as children by the Lin Kuei and trained in the techniques of assassination throughout their lives. I'll add the rest of the information here below the video. Now the figure does look pretty cool. See how he looks outside of the package. Okay, here he is out of the package. Sword here. Not bad detail in it. He's got movement in his wrist here, in the elbows, plus in the shoulders here. Bit stiff though. Movement in the chest area. Full 360 turn on the head. Knees and hip area moves pretty good. And ankle joints. Some pretty good detail here. And sword seems to do pretty good. Details in the arm pads here pretty good. Looks like there's some faces in it, and it's got some pretty good coloring here as well. Looks like be one figure that you could probably put in with the Cobra, probably. Ninja fight between Storm Shadow and this guy, or going up against Snake Eyes. And if you want him to go up against someone else with a sword, got Blackbeard here from Pirates of the Caribbean 3. Correction, 4. Been watching the third movie the past day or so. give you a scale size here of Sub-Zero, at the same size as Blackbeard, and Jack Sparrow. He's gonna lose. Yeah, about the same scale size. So you can have him going up against Pirates of the Caribbean or Star Wars figures, G.I. Joes, even the Marvel figures too. Even the Iceman from the X-Men. Well, that's a review on Sub-Zero here. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.